With at-home security cameras becoming more and more readily available and affordable, it's nice to see those options coming with their own off-the-grid solar panels. With a one-off payment and no need for reliance on your electricity, EZVIZ is one of those companies determined to provide you with a green energy source to your at-home security needs. This is the EZVIZ CB3 solar security camera, and currently at an asking price of just $79.99 and a further discount using my code in the description, this is bound to be a fantastic option for those looking for something that requires little to no setup knowledge and no dependence on your electricity, especially with the rising cost of living. And guess what? You even get a free 32GB SD card, so this truly is a one-time investment. With features like smart human motion detection, color night vision, full waterproofing and two-way talking, just to name a few, this is more than your average camera. So let's see what the CB3 can do and start by unboxing this guy. As I said, this is a one-time investment. You really do get everything you need in the box ready to get you up and running. In the box, you get a screw base, USB cable, mounting plate, drill template, screw kit, solar panel, and your basic quick start guide and manuals. If we take a look at the camera itself, it is of a reasonably compact size. Now, it's not tiny by any means, but discreet enough to be hidden out of sight, but also able to deter those on the lookout for any cameras. What's great about options like this is their ability to be implemented pretty much anywhere near your home without complex wiring or expensive installation fees. You do indeed have two storage options. You can use the supplied SD card for internal storage and viewing later, or you can opt for the cloud storage and get a 7-day trial to see if it's any good for you. In my personal opinion, with support of up to 256GB by that SD card slot, the SD card storage makes for a more feasible solution, and I do recommend that. This is rechargeable, so you don't have to be fully reliant on that solar panel, but nevertheless it is still there doing its job and giving you a bit of peace of mind. As it's equipped with a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, the CB3 only asks you to recharge it within a 120-day time frame. Now, that is very impressive, and a solar panel, well, that's just going to provide even more to that. The setup is a breeze and takes less than 10 minutes. First, we are going to simply want to use the guide provided to find a space for installation. We can then simply screw the mount to the wall and then install the camera. Be it a brick wall, tree, window frame or doorway, the portability and wireless nature makes the possibilities endless. It really is that easy, and if you have a solar panel, it's best to try and get it within direct vision of sunlight to optimize its performance. Now we can simply just pair this up with the designated EZVIZ app, which is available on both iOS and Android. We press the plus sign at the top right hand corner in the home page to find all the available options. Click the right one and the connection procedure should begin. This should only take a couple of minutes. And if done all successfully, we should be up and running. It really is an easy process to achieve. When paired with the app, the CB3 has some rather impressive abilities and customizable options. One of those is its ability to give you alterations with the motion. This has an integrated PIR sensor, and with that, we get a person-shaped detection. The CB3 can distinguish the difference between a person to pets, cars, and other moving objects. So we can adjust the sensitivity within the app settings to only detect human motion. Now that is going to be a lifesaver when you're sat in bed at night time getting constant notification when a neighbouring cat is causing havoc. With that motion detection, we also get the ability to take full advantage of the defense function. Here, upon detection of any intruders, the camera will set off a loud siren and flash 2 spotlights. Now obviously the aim here is to deter them and cause a scare. Whether it will do that depends on the person, but it is a nice side feature to have. Two-way audio interactions by far is one of my favourite, and it lets you talk to anybody near the camera. Let's say you have a delivery driver who has been picked up on the motion detection, you will receive a notification where you can open it up and begin the conversation. The CB3 can allow you to instantly begin talking to them and receive responses thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker. You can actually even pre-record a voice message which will automatically play upon detection.
Hi there, can you leave the parcel around the back, please?
Some affordable security cameras perform on all these features but lack that nighttime vision. This camera removes those fuzzy and pixelated nighttime images and renders far-reaching color night vision of up to 15 meters. So you can set the camera to smart night vision mode and it can automatically switch from black and white to full color imaging upon detection of any moving objects. Now this will indeed be a lifesaver to pick up facial features and even number plates. With 1080p of resolution and 15 frames per second, it's not going to win any awards, but it is pretty good. It picks up enough sharpness and contrast to make most things out with a relative number of meters between you. The camera is fully waterproof and has a IP66 rating, so it should withstand all the elements that are thrown at it. Cold weathers may likely decrease the battery efficiency and dark days may dull the ability of the solar panel, but the CB3 is an affordable feature-packed security kit that allows the average consumer to have a little peace of mind within the security of their home. Be sure to check out the CB3 in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.